back. What's up, y'all? It's Pretty Ass Princess. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Come by with me while I try this two-step protein treatment. First, you're gonna need to get all your supplies at arm's reach. You're gonna need a towel, a blow dryer, the first step of the two-step protein treatment, the second step, which is the balancing moisturizer, and of course, you're gonna need you a couple of hair clamps. Clamp. You're gonna need a wide tooth shower comb. You don't wanna pull out all your hair. And you're gonna need a small spout. Something like this. It'll make it easier for you to apply it to the hair. After this, my video is really self-explanatory. However, this is not a tutorial. It is an experiment. So, yeah. Just sit back, chill, watch me experiment on my hair, and listen to me ride the beat. And yeah, that big. It stinks. It got a little stench to it. I forgot to tell y'all that.
Ever since I was a jit, I've been speaking real shit. I've been hitting real licks, and I ain't never touched a brick, but I'm still gonna be real rich. Working my wrist till it twists. Aaron Hicks, I do this shit, I do it for my kids. We gon' be rich, rich, rich. Not on the rich type shit. We gon' be big rich, RICH rich bitch. Give 'em something more to hate, something to try to take. Try me, watch you some in face. I'm 25 now, and this my big break. I just need a pen and pad, I don't even need a break. Fuck a recess, nigga, new queen of rap coming through. Just remember, princess, nigga. Rich, rich, rich. Pearls on my neck, with diamonds
Well, I'm out, so to the store I go.
Rich, rich, rich. Pearls on my neck, with diamonds on my wrist, wrist, wrist. If you knew me back then, you should see me now on some rich, rich, rich type shit. Rich, rich, rich. Rich, rich, rich. Pearls on my neck, with diamonds on my wrist, wrist, wrist. If you knew me back then, you should see me now on some rich, rich, rich type shit. Rich, 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 bitch. Rich, rich, rich. Pearls on my neck, with diamonds on my wrist, wrist, wrist. If you knew me back then, you should see me now.
So, regardless of my lips moving in this video, as you see, I decided to do a voiceover. So, anyways, I had to go 2 cities over just to get this product. When, come to find out, it was at a hair store near me. But you know what? That's what I get for going to Google instead of, just riding around a different hair stores seeing who had it. But I was on a time crunch. It was like 7 o'clock, so I wanted to go somewhere that was for sure that I knew for sure had it. But yeah, it still would have saved me a drive. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. As you see, I had to get the big bottle because, no, can't be driving all over Georgia no more. So, yes, the product is very sticky. And no, this is not a tutorial, but, you can look at this and see what you're supposed to do. So, if you are looking at this as some type of tutorial, because it kind of is a great tutorial, except for I'm not just going to label it as a tutorial because it's really just an experience. But as you see, if you watch the whole video, it actually was a success, so you definitely can look at this as a tutorial. But as I was saying, if you're going to use this as a tutorial, make sure, I repeat, make sure that you use your blow dryer on the coolest setting. Don't touch your hair too much. Don't agitate it. Don't try to comb it when it gets hard. It should get hard like ramen noodles and all of that. So try not to mess with it, because if you do, you're definitely going to break your hair off.
Say Nani.
Life without a mom, kinda straight. Knowing I did it on my own. Needed love as a child, but now I'm grown. Anybody fuck me over, I'm a murder on red rum. Red rum. I ain't got time for no fake shit. Say hey, hit a bitch with bad bitch. I don't fuck with no fake folks.
If y'all ain't peep, I came out the towel and I stopped using that clear thingamajigger or whatever it is. I had to go for what I know at that point. It was starting to get a little too much. All I gotta say is I love the results, and the second step is definitely a must. It says do it on wet hair, but somehow I ain't see that. And I did it on dry hair, but as you see, I still got good results though. So this all that really matter. Well, this concludes the video. So I hope you all enjoyed chilling with me during my experiment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch all of my videos, like, comment, and please, please, please subscribe.